guys, welcome back to another video from your girl. So you already know I'm going on a trip. I'm already going on a trip. Yeah, I'm still trying to get my hair done, so don't worry. But I'm going on a trip. Ooh, look at them trying to make me pass a red light. What is going on? Girls already going on a trip, so you already know what this video is about. This is a maintenance vlog. So in this maintenance vlog, we're going to be getting my nails done, my toes done, my eyebrows done, and I'm going to go wash my hair too because I'm getting my hair done over on the other side of the country. So I'm super excited for that. And I'm running 15 minutes late to get my have my nails done, my toes done. And I'm probably just gonna go get waxed too because yeah, I'm gonna be in bikinis. But anyway, I have to hurry up and get inside. I will talk to you guys later. Yeah, stay tuned to the rest of the vlog. Love y'all. Bye. Mwah. Gotta get my nails done. Gotta get my nails done. I'm trying to see if I could buy some snacks before I hop on the plane. So I was looking about this one. I want to get some dots. Shouldn't really be eating candy. When I come back, I'm gonna really be on my healthy stuff. So I decided to get some paper towels. Because you already know, skincare. I always gotta get paper towels for a trip. Should I get some Kit Kat? Or should I get some Almond Joy? There's no more Almond Joy. Oh, maybe I should get a Milky Way. Milky Way? I probably do Milky Way. I'm thinking if I should eat later or if I should eat now. I think I should eat now because I need the energy. is done with her hair. It took a long time because I ended up having to take a shower and just getting ready for the night. Ooh, hope my hands are not ashy. I haven't put lotion yet, so. You guys, my hair is washed and ready, so this is the end of the maintenance vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching to the very end of the video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. I don't know what video that's gonna be, but I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.